Today, the tide brings us to another sought-after place in Myrtle Beach, the Market Common, a place to shop, eat, play, and live. If you're unfamiliar with this Myrtle Beach area, it offers many unique boutiques, cool restaurants, bowling, movies, a day spa, and exciting family events all year round. The Market Common's actual address says it's located on DeVille Street in Myrtle Beach. But in all actuality, it encompasses an area of 144 acres, which comprises several blocks on either side. And it's less than 2 miles from the beautiful Atlantic Ocean. This is one place we love to visit when we're not on the beach. Let's start with shopping. They call it big city shopping with a small town charm. And speaking of shopping, at the Market Common it is always fresh and fun. With beautiful landscape walkways, park benches, rocking chairs, bubbling fountains, and even a play area for the kids. You can get everything from accessories, apparel, and jewelry to home decor, books, music, and sporting goods. And it doesn't stop there. There's dining for every taste. And that's one of the main reasons we frequent this place. It's in a class of its own, offering a wide selection of outstanding restaurants. From renowned Chinese, Italian, and American cuisines to prime steaks and more. And they also have award-winning handcrafted beer. We've tried many of the restaurants here and are always amazed. Our biggest dilemma was which outstanding place we should choose each week. And when they mention play, this place has everything from movie watching, billiards and bowling, to escape room adventures and live music. There's plenty of family fun to be had at the Market Common. You can walk and enjoy the surrounding nature, or come to some of the best events along the Grand Strand. And lastly, not only can you come to this place and have a great time, but you can also live here as a resident at the Market Common. For residency, they offer a unique lifestyle experience within a true urban village community. Floor plans include cozy studios to expansive 2-bedroom suites with balcony access. So, in one perfect place, you can shop at the country's best retail stores, have a fabulous meal, see the latest movie, stroll by the lake, or take a quick bike ride to the beach. And once you get here, you may never want to leave. That's a look at what it's like at the Market Common. Make sure you subscribe to keep up with what's going on around the beach so you can keep beaching.